Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, today's video, I'm going to go over a couple of tiles that moved on me. These are just wooden coasters that I got at the dollar store. I've taped the back. So I'm just going to go over it. It's fine. You can go over them as long as it's not a big thick mound of paint. It's good. So I want to do some colors that go with orange. So I've been doing orange and red, orange and turquoise, and I did orange and purple. I want to do orange and blue now. So I've got some Glidden Premium. It's mixed with a bit of mist tint paint that I got at the store. Works okay, works fine. This is Glidden Premium and a mist tint mixed together. All right, so let's see what colors I'm going to use. I got some gold. Actually, I'll put a bit of gold. Let's see how I'm going to try not to put too much down. Give them a good shake first. And I got some ultramarine blue by Amsterdam. I thought blues and orange would go nice together. Let's see, I might get some green, I don't know. This one is Meaden wine red mixed with some orange. Getting a lot of paint down there. This little piggy mermaid. These are all mixed with my pouring mediums in the description under my video. This is my pouring medium mixture, sorry. There's also a discount code for the Sheleeart course. And some other discount codes for Meaden, Lily Leffy. Check it out. That was Mermaid, this little piggy. A little bit of PBO blue-green too. This is this is a Meaden too. This is Meaden apricot orange. These are Meaden fluid paints. It's a discount code for Meaden also. They have a lot of different art supplies. Okay, I got a lot of paint, so it doesn't look like I'm going to have much negative space here. This one is Meaden Arctic Blue. This is opaque, this one, so I thought I would put it on the top. I like to put opaques on the bottom or the top. Mini blower. Oh, those look pretty. It's all one-sided though. I don't see much of the dark blue. I'll let the middle relax. I think the reason these went wonky in the middle was I didn't spin enough off. I left too much of a puddle in the middle and it moved on me. Get that middle to move. I was going to modify this one, but I didn't. It looks pretty though, I love the colors. All right, let's see if this is moving. See, to me, there's still too much in the middle. Look at these double cells, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the dark blue to see what we get. It's pretty much done now. It's not even hardly moving. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one. I really like this. Put another one down. Okay, let's do another one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do a bit of gold. 24 karat gold. I'm going to switch the two oranges. This time I'll have the lighter orange near the bottom. And maybe it'll be a little more contrast. And then I'll put the darker orange. And then the light blue. All right. Let's try this again. That's pretty. I still don't see the dark blue. A little more darker orange though. Maybe the, I don't know if that's I don't know if this is opaque. This must be pretty transparent. Just trying to get that middle to free up a bit. Come on. Okay, let's give it a spin. I'll show you them beside each other. It's pretty, pretty, pretty. Maybe all the paints on top were more opaque and it covered up the blue. Maybe I should, I'll do one maybe with the dark blue near the top. This has more of the other blue in it. A little bit darker, but I'll show you them side by side. Still moving. Okay. That's pretty good. Oh, a lot of these cells came off. Okay. I'm gonna get my other one. See, I did the darker orange closer to the top and I did the lighter orange closer to the top there, so that's the difference. But they're both pretty. There. I hope you like these. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hi, everybody. Well, I just came to look at these coasters, and they dried. And beautiful. Look at that. Nothing moved. I love them. Love these colors. Pretty, pretty. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.